In this video, you'll learn how to change your email address on Envato. By following these steps, you will successfully update your email and ensure your account information is current. Begin by navigating to the Envato website. Once there, locate the login button, typically found in the upper right corner of the homepage. Enter your current email address and password in the provided fields. After you click login, ensure you are accessing your account from a secure and trusted device to protect your information. After logging in, find your account settings. This can usually be accessed by clicking on your profile icon or your username, which is often located in the same upper right corner. Once you are in your account settings, look for a section labeled email or account information. This is where you will manage your email address. Next, click on the option that allows you to change or update your email address. A prompt will appear asking you to enter your new email. It is important to enter this information carefully to avoid any mistakes. Ensure the new email address is active and accessible, as you will need to verify it later. Take a moment to double check the details before proceeding. Once you have entered your new email address, look for a Save Changes button. Click this button to confirm your update. After saving, check your inbox for a verification email from Envato. This email will contain a confirmation link that you must click to verify your new email address. This step is crucial because it ensures that the new email is valid and properly linked to your account. After you click the confirmation link, you should receive a notification indicating that your email has been successfully updated. If you do not see the verification email in your inbox, check your spam or junk folder. Once verified, your Envato account will reflect the new email address. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.